morning, guys. Hello, what's up, you guys? It's Godog's phone. What you guys been up to? Anything for fish? Anything? You know? Anything excited? Well, like this morning, we are gonna make something pretty cool. I'm excited this morning. We're gonna make some hamburger, homemade hamburger helper. You guys, yes, we are gonna make some hamburger helper. So that's what we're doing. We're making some hamburger helper. So I'll talk to you guys when we get the hamburger out.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do. It's Go Dogs for One.
There's a homemade hamburger helper. Yeah, looks so good. So right now, you guys, we are doing laundry again. So that's what we are doing. Laundry day. Woo! Are you excited?
Yeah.
You sure? You don't look excited. You don't look excited.
That's not an exciting situation.
I can. So right now, you guys, we just got ice cream. What kind did you get?
Chocolate peanut butter.
So I got lemon pie. Ah. Nah. So that's what we did. So right now, you guys, Rachel's gonna be resting her eyes so close. So that's what we're doing. We're just relaxing. Oh, phone call. So I'll talk to you guys later. So right now, you guys, we are making some fun colors with the colors for the channel. If you guys haven't seen my channel on this, make sure you subscribe to my main channel, which is Go Dogs for One. We did cake decorations, so you guys have to find out what kind of stuff we put in. And then we are just doing her channel on the other part, so that's pretty cool. It should be good, I think. I don't know. Ew. So that's what we're doing. So right now, you guys, we are having rice, pork chops, and mixed vegetables with Italian dressing. Woo! Hey guys, just Rachel and me just recorded a game time, which was awesome, which was pretty cool and exciting that we got to record a video game. Oh, man, my legs are sleeping. I'm going to the bathroom before we get the chips.
Okay.
So that's what we are doing.
Guys, we're getting sun chips. Woo! Yay. Is Rachel gonna have an awkward interaction?
Maybe.
Yup. Oh, that was bright. Big contrast. That was crazy contrast. Okay. Yup. Okay. Sun chips. Ooh. Oh. These look cool. Sun chips.
If they have some syrup.
Dude.
Any other kinds?
I really want to try these.
Do you try them?
I do.
Okay.
Do we want anything from here?
No, because we have some pop
We
back
do,
home.
okay. Alright.
So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. Show us what they got. We got some veggie chips, I think they're called.
They taste like fries.
Let's see.
Like, they taste like McDonald's, kind of. But, like, healthy. I don't know why, but I feel like give me McDonald's vibe, but, like, healthy.
Healthy. And then we got some judges.
These are good. These are good, too. Good choices we made tonight.
Yeah.
We're gonna relax.
And we're going to end the video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. And
subscribe and comment down below your favorite type of chip. Guys, this is the only time I made a question that was relevant. Anyway, guys, peace out, and like, share, and subscribe. Bye.
bye.
Bye.